Even though Raiders linebacker Khalil Mack was in a singing mood, it was the Bills who hit the first high note in Week 16.
5 minutes into the game, no score. The Bills have the football. Orton lots of time. Heaves it downfield, looking for Watkins. Makes the catch. Touchdown, Buffalo.
Get that. It's over. It's over. Let's play ball. Never that. You want to be good, you want to be great. Negative plays, baby. Negative plays. Hit him in the backfield.
Let's go. Let's go.
Good job.
Come on, keep coming.
Way to work, T. Way to work. Hey, somebody go get there. I told you I'm gonna get there. I told you I'm gonna get there. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. DC, that's my quarterback. Let's do it.
Derek Carr fakes the toss, gonna roll to his right. Throw back to left now, goes back in the end zone for James Jones. Touchdown!
That's a good play.
Raiders.
That's a good play. DC. DC doing his thing. Oh, yeah. DC. Good stuff, baby. Hey, stop dancing, man. Hey, we get to go back on the field? We get to go back on the field? We get to go back on the field? You talking about hammer time? Hammer time? Hey, they ain't gonna run that no more. Please don't run it no more. Please run that play again. Please run that play again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Kyle Orton in the gun now, pressured and sacked by Khalil Mack. His fourth sack in the NFL.
You knew it was going to happen sooner or later because he's been giving those tackles a tough time.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Tom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Khalil Mack fans, today they're fans of the Buffalo Bull, not the Buffalo Bills.
I like the look of that, right?
Good, man. My dog just keeps tightening up. Cramping.
The sun setting over the western rim of the Coliseum in Oakland and the sun setting on Buffalo's playoff chances simultaneously.
Khalil Mack is not in right now for the Raiders. So Buffalo's down 2 scores, 1:18 to go.
The snap. Orton waits.
Get off, Tom.
Orton back pump. Orton pressured, rolls away from it. Orton has time, looking and now throwing for the end zone.
Damn.
Well, there were a couple of plays on that where the rush link just was not very good after Mack left the game.
That was it right there.
1:09 left to play. The Bills in need of a miracle here, down 26-24.
It's going to come down to the onside kick.
Here we go.
They'll pop it up high in the air, and it's Charles Woodson who came down with the ball. The Raiders will knock the Buffalo Bills out of the playoffs.